I just stole the donut.
You gotta say it all out.
Yes. Look at that. Ah.
Scoot over, bro.
Well, bitch, get your own chair.
I'm good.
Yeah, you're really good.
What the fuck?
Hey, people. Come on, at least say hi. For you too. Say hi, at least. You don't want to be in it? You?
Hi.
No, for real, say hi.
Hi.
No, face this way.
Hi.
Face this way.
Hi.
Come on. Say hi. Any shout out?
No special brownies, just regular ones.
No,
Special brownies, man.
Special brownies?
With that green stuff hanging out.
I'm gonna bring special brownies.
Bye.